Gone are the days where parents would take their children and walk for hours among aisles and aisles of toys. But luckily, we have Playmobil to bring us back. Welcome back, and thanks for tuning in to this PlaymoAF unboxing and review video. Today we're taking a look at the Playmobil City Life 5488 Toy Store. We are missing the building, but we've got an empty store that we need to put something in. And when I saw this in St. Augustine, Florida at Olde Towne Toys, we had to pick this up. This was the only one left on the shelf, and I was just completely stuck as to which of the Playmobil sets that they had that I wanted to get. But when I saw that this Playmobil toy was actually selling Playmobil toys, all I could do was remember how when I was a kid living in Germany, we lived not far from a store that sold exclusively Playmobil. It was just shelves. The entire store was just nothing but Playmobil. It was so much fun. It was so neat, and I could just stand in there and just look at all those packages and all those clickies looking at me and trying to figure out which ones I wanted. And I loved the castles, but I never got one. So I ended up getting like the regular clicky figures, and I think that's probably why I like the clicky figures so much today.
Speaking of toy stores, Playmo Pals, from now until April 30th, 2024, if you buy $50 worth of merchandise at ZensToyland.com, you can use discount code PlaymoAF for 20% off your purchase. Orders of $50 or more in the continental U.S. will receive free shipping as well. Pick up new Playmobil, Lego, Calico critters, plush animals, board games, puzzles, and more at ZensToyland.com, now until April 30th.
Anyway, here we have the front image, and we've got our two clickies that come with this set. It looks like we have a store clerk. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm going to go with it since otherwise the cash register is going to be left unattended, and that just wouldn't be right. So we have a little girl, little redhead girl. Very cute, actually. I don't have any of the other children, with red hair or freckles. And this is kind of a nice little addition to the collection. Other than that, we've got a few other random items. I kind of wish this had more Playmobil sets, maybe one or two more. It is a random assortment of toys. Some of them just don't make sense, but it looks like it'd be a lot of fun to put together. 51 pieces in all, and we're going to see them all very soon. Alright, so taking a look at the right side, we have a close-up picture of the girl, and she looks like she's holding a little shovel for a sandbox. And then we have another cropped image of the front image. The right side of the box is going to have the man holding a butterfly catching net, and again, a cropped version of the front image. The bottom has our choking hazard warnings and also the barcode. The top has our clickies in a different pose. Looks like the man is the clerk at the store, and I guess maybe he's allowing the child to play in there? Unattended. You know, in some respect, I kind of hate to open this box, but it's time for us to do it. The box is a little bit damp. Not damp to the touch at the moment, but it's very soft, as if it had been affected by moisture. So we are going to go ahead and open this and see what's inside. So right away, check this out. We have this enormous shelf. This just nicely fits right under there. Looks like it's got System X pieces here. This came out in 2013. That's good to know. And it's just a support base here. So we're going to keep this back here, if you don't mind. And there it is, the register desk and register. Here are the drawers. Very nice orange contrast in that blue. I do dig that a lot. Now here are all the toys that are included in the set, and I gotta say, If there's any problem I find with this set, and it is a really nice set, I think it's great that we have parts to a store that we can put together. But I'm just not a big fan of the assortment of toys here. If it wasn't for the seasonal toys, like, you know, you've got your sand stuff for the beach, your butterfly net, or even fishing net, and your sleigh, I think it would be better. I mean, of course, you know, I'd like different toys to make up for these toys here, just to complete it and give you the same amount of pieces. But I'm just not a big fan of all these other things. And it might also be the arrangement on the box, because you have the sand toys up on the register. So if you have items that are small enough and would fit in a toy setting or a toy store setting, like this little miniature Optimus Prime from the Transformers toy line, you could definitely use that on the shelf. Granted, yeah, it's not Playmobil, but you know, one of the things that a lot of kids do is they combine their toys, no matter how different they are. And this is no exception right here. I also have these miniature Funko Pops, which would look great on the toy shelf there. Not to mention the fact that craft stores often carry miniatures. And I picked up this miniature toy train set. Unfortunately, the hooks here do not hook at all. They all have these little rings, so you can't connect them very well. But it still makes for good decoration in your little make-believe toy store. Incidentally, guys, I did forget about this soccer ball. This was part of the Playmobil Toy Store as well. Here's a close-up of our male clicky. I really honestly couldn't tell he was the store clerk. I would have maybe expected him to wear something a little bit more store or professional oriented. I don't know. It looks pretty cool, I guess, just because of the color scheme is just so different. Anyway, standard 5 points of articulation. And maybe I'd be given the male clicky higher marks if this little girl came with another adult. But yeah, she's the only child that comes with the set, and she also has the regular 5 points of articulation. Very cute outfit. I do like the color scheme on this clicky a lot more than I do the male. So guys, final grade here. I'm going to have to give this set a B-. It is really nice. It's cool. I really think they should have given us one more shelf, just because everything else just seems kind of thrown in there. You've got stuff in the wagon that shouldn't be in the wagon, I don't think. I would have liked to have seen that empty with other things somewhere else. But overall, yeah, B-, and it's just the seasonal stuff that kind of gets to me. Kind of feels like it's kind of a cop-out. And well, guys, that is it for this unboxing and review video of our toy store. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't for more Playmobil content. You can also follow us on Instagram. Check us out at playmo.af. Also, you can check us out on Twitter. Look us up, PlaymoAF. And guys, remember, there's only 2 days left. Check out Zens Toyland. All their Playmobil is on clearance. You have until April 30th. Guys, thanks for watching. We will see you again very soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.